Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your LOA bestie, Khali. In today's video, we are talking about how to ignore the 3D when manifesting. To ignore the current reality while manifesting a new reality, you can follow these steps. 1. Choose something that you want to manifest in your life, such as abundance, love, or health. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. To relax your body and mind. 3. Imagine that you are in a peaceful place where you can focus on your manifestation without any distractions. 4. Begin to affirm to yourself that you are ignoring the current reality and focusing on manifesting your desire. You can say something like, I am ignoring the current reality and focusing on manifesting abundance in my life. 5. As you continue to affirm this to yourself, visualize your desired outcome in as much detail as possible. Imagine yourself experiencing the abundance that you desire and feel the emotions that you would feel if you were already living that reality. 6. Continue to focus on your visualization and affirmations for a few minutes, and then slowly open your eyes and bring yourself back to the present moment. 7. Remember to continue to focus on your manifestation throughout the day and to ignore any distractions or negative thoughts that may arise. By affirming your desired life and visualizing it as already being a reality, you can attract it into your life and manifest it into existence. Remember to be consistent and persistent in your affirmations and to let go of any limiting beliefs that may hold you back. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that you are powerful and you can create your desired reality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.